Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to open up my Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2021. Now, I did not buy the extra large this year. I only bought the large box, which was $75. Last year I bought the extra large, but this year I decided to just get the large. So here we are. I'm gonna open it up here on camera. I've had this for like a week. I just haven't had a chance to film with it, so I'm kind of excited to see what I got in this box. A lot of people that missed out on these boxes this year, a lot of that was to do with the fact that Beautylish has launched a new app, and if you download the app, then you get first access to stuff more than you would just going on the website. So I have the launch app. I will go ahead and see if I can link the launch app in the description box down below, but that app is the best way to get like early access to stuff from Beautylish. So this is how it comes wrapped up, just like this. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So I got this makeup bag, which is nice because it's clear. I love bags that are clear because it's so nice to be able to see what's in there. So this will be great. This is from the brand Units. So yeah, and it's quite big too. So I'm happy about that. So let's see what's inside here. I see Charlotte Tilbury, something Charlotte. Oh! This is a Starry Eyes to Hypnotize palette from Charlotte Tilbury. Now, I already have this palette, which is this one right here. I'll show you. I'm not going to open this because I'm definitely going to throw this in a giveaway, but I already have this palette, and this is what Starry Eyes to Hypnotize looks like. So I paid $75 for this box, and yes, I did get something that I already have. However, this will be great for giveaways, so I am totally fine with that. The price of the palette paid for the box. So, okay, so the next one we have is from Wayne Goss, and I already have this too. And this is his eye kohl pencil in the shade Deep Amethyst. And I think I already have the Deep Amethyst because I think he had sent it to me when he sent me his palette to kind of model it for him on his promo. Let me look and see if I have the Deep Amethyst. I think I do. Yes. So here is Deep Amethyst. I'll save the other one for a giveaway. So the Deep Amethyst is kind of like a blue, like a dark, dark blue. Do you see how pretty that is? So it's almost black, but not quite. Now, I like Wayne Goss's pencils on the lash line to kind of create a wing with, because they're very creamy in a way, so they're easy to kind of pull and create a wing. I don't like them on the waterline only because I haven't had any experience with them staying staying put. It seems like they always leak down onto my lower waterline, but as far as putting it on the lash line and then drawing it out for a wing, these work great. So I'll definitely be giving those away together. So the next product here is this a lipstick? I can't tell what this is. Oh yeah, it's a velvet matte lipstick. It's hard to get out of the damn package. I'm having a hell of a time here, y'all. So this is from Lena Chu. I've never even heard of this brand before. This is in the shade 21 Duras. Ooh, and it's a very, very pretty pink. And a very creamy formula. I've never heard of this brand before. It must be new. That's pigmented. That's a pigmented lipstick. Very pigmented. Holy schmokesies. I don't know that I was expecting that much pigment. That's got a lot of pigment. Feels pretty comfortable though. I like that. And very beautiful packaging. That's pretty packaging. And it comes in this little velvet case that it slips down inside of like this. And this is how it came. It was a little bit hard to open, but once I got it, it's beautiful packaging. So yeah, that one is really pretty. I like that color. It's kind of bright. It's a nice bright pink. I don't mind that color. Okay, and then we have Faux Fur Brush Roll. Ooh, I actually wanted this. Let me see if it's what I was thinking it is. I had actually seen this on the Beautylish website, and I was actually wanting to pick this up. This is a nice like faux fur brush roll. You can stick your makeup brushes down inside there, especially like your expensive ones, and keep them nice and protected. So I really like that. And this has like a magnet inside of it, so it closes to the magnet. So it's It's really nice. I like this. So it holds 6 brushes. So yeah, it's nice. I like that. And then, oh, I got a Sonya G brush. Okay, so this is the flat definer brush. This is a great brush. I already have this brush, so I will definitely throw this in a giveaway. But you can see, this is one of my favorite brushes. I'm gonna try to get it down in there without touching it. I don't wanna touch the handle and stuff. But this is what mine looks like. So this is mine. And this is a great brush. This is for those like really detailed work that you need to get into those inner corners. I love to apply any type of shimmer shadows on the lid, like a really great brush. And then we finally have this, which is the Pineapple Exfoliating Powder from Good Molecules. So I actually really like this. I think this is, Good Molecules has sent me this in PR. I think I have 2 bottles of it, so I'll probably throw this in a giveaway as well. But this is a really great exfoliator. It's very gentle for my skin anyway. I don't know if it would be gentle for those who have sensitive skin, because I don't have sensitive skin, but I've actually really enjoyed this exfoliator. So that's nice. I think I'll throw that in the giveaway. So the nice thing is I actually got quite a few products for $75. So I just added everything up and I paid $75 for this box, and everything here retails for $187. So I got well over what I paid. So this was a nice little box. Of course, I do have a few of the items already in my collection, but that was the main reason why I decided not to get the extra large bag and give the opportunity. I know that the extra large bags sell out so quickly, and that was the main reason why I decided I did not want to get the extra large bag, because 9 times out of 10, what's in the extra large bag I will probably already have in my collection, at least some of it. So I thought I'll let everybody else have the opportunity to get the extra large bag. I'll just get the large, see what's in there, and I'm happy that some of these products I can throw in a giveaway and be done with it. So we're gonna have a giveaway in this video. I'm so excited. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do the giveaway now. Why wait? So in the giveaway, I'm gonna be giving away the Starry Eyes to Hypnotize palette, the Kohl pencil from Wayne Goss, the Sonya G flat definer, and the Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder. So all 4 of these products will go to a winner. Entering the giveaway will be very easy. All you have to do is comment in the comment section letting me know what was your favorite item of what I got in this box. So everything that I received in this box, what was your favorite product that I received? So that's all you have to do. And then of course, just put your Instagram handle, your Facebook handle, your Twitter handle, or your email, whatever, just to make it easy so that I can get in touch with you when I go to choose the winner. So that's it, you guys. That's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for hanging, and all of the giveaway details will be in the description box down below. It'll be very easy to follow. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I love doing these unboxings with products that I don't know what's in there. It's always so fun. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Let me know in the comments down below, did you guys get a lucky bag? And if you did, which one did you guys get? And if you have gotten it already, do you like it? I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Share with us in the comments section. Love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you. Bye.